So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. After that click on search and then enter the model number of your graphic card. AORUS Random RX6950 XT Extreme WaterForce WB16G. After that it will hit enter to search your graphic card on this website. Then click on the product. Then click on this model number of graphic card. Then click on support. Then select the operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. So AMD driver, and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. Now you can see it is start downloading, and it will take some time, and depending on your internet might be 4 to 5 minutes. Then click on three dot and go to download. So you can see it is start downloading, and this is size. So after it is completed, then click on this icon. After it open this location where it is downloading. Okay. Then right click and run as administrator. If you are Windows 10, so show more and then click on run as administrator. After that click on yes. And then click on install. After that this is extracting to your system. Now you can see this is installing, so it will take some time. and it is low after installed, then close it.